Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. In this week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm going to go over proper squeegee pressure. So we're going to be doing the lower door paint protection film installation on this Ford Super Duty. So in this video, I'm just going to go over what's the right amount of pressure to use, and then at what point in your installation do you start to use more pressure. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay. So I got the paint protection film on the door. I got a bunch of slip solution behind the film. As you can see when I let go, the PPF wants to slide off. So where I'm going to start is right over here in this top corner. I'm just going to get this film lined up. I'm going to spray a little bit of tack solution behind there. So when it comes to doing squeegee pressure, you want to line your film up about 1 to 2 millimeters away from the edge. And the first time you come with your squeegee and you squeegee down, you want to go super light pressure. You don't want to go too hard, because then you run the risk of damaging the film, crumpling it. Once you've got it down, as I have already, then I can come around and I can give it much more pressure and really lock that film in place. So I'm actually going to pull the film back, get some more slip solution behind here. We're going to come over here to this corner. Same thing. Give it a little bit of tack solution, letting that film fall into place. And then I'm just going to come across my squeegee, just very lightly at first. Now that I've got it down, I know it's locked down, I can come across with more pressure. One big thing that I know a lot of people struggle with in the very beginning is proper squeegee pressure, and I just wanted to address that in this video. So now that I have these corners down, I can go ahead and do my installation. I'm not going to be using any more tack solution during this installation. I'm just going to take and squeegee all the slip solution out down the very bottom over here. So with this area being as loose as it is, I'm not going to use the same amount of pressure that I did over here. I'm kind of going to use the same pressure that I did when I was doing like my last final passes over here to really lock that down. So just going to come across. You want to make sure you're not using too much pressure, but enough pressure that you're pushing all the solution out from behind the film. Figuring out your squeegee pressure is something that takes a little bit of time to get used to, but once you have it figured out, it just works really, really well. So that's how I would go ahead and figure out how I'm going to use the different kinds of pressure. It's kind of hard for me to explain, but you don't want to start off by just putting the panel on the vehicle and then just hitting it with hard pressure right away. You do that, you'll crumple the film and it'll start to look, the film will get damaged. And if you don't throw it in the garbage and get a new piece, it's just going to look really bad on the vehicle. So I hope I did a good job explaining squeegee pressure in this video. If you guys liked it, make sure you like the video, make sure you leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more paint protection film content.